How to fix allow access to microphone missing in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option privacy and security. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on microphone. Now here you can see, now here you can allow access microphone. If it doesn't work, then delete your app and reinstall it. After you install your app, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then go back and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.